everyone. Pretty cool, eh? Just want to point out though, it's not a recommendation to fly with your strobes like that. So yeah, this is my disclaimer. Just saying I don't recommend it. What we're looking at today, well, remember last time we did a review, a test of the Vifly Strobelight. Well, not so long ago now they brought out this one, the Vifly Platinum Strobe. Sorry, that one. Vifly Platinum Strobe. Very almost identical. Apart from this one now, the new one, it's got a blue LED on it. And then also believe that it's a little bit brighter at 1000 lumens as well. So I thought we'll get on here and test it out, give you a look at it. Now they're fully compliant with the FAA and the CAA under the current guidelines for flying at night, etc., for safety and visibility. So let's jump straight into it and we'll open the box up, see what's in it. We'll run through, check out the different modes and colours. Yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's open the box up and see what we've got in there. The welcome card. Got a charge cable. Now I believe it takes about an hour and a half to fully charge, but once it's fully charged you'll get 4 hours continuous use in strobe mode, which isn't bad at all. Got your Velcro for attaching to your drone. It's a 3M pad, so good strong stuff. Got the strobe itself. USB-C charging, power switch there. Now I do recommend when you do switch it on, not to try to look directly at it because it will blind you.
Yes, I'm really blind, man.
Then we've got some instructions just there, quick run through. It's got the white on it, red, green, blue, 3 mile visibility, USB charging, USB-C charging. As I said, the hour and a half charge time, 4 hours working time in strobe mode, and it's weighing in at 6 grams, but we will check the weight of that as well. So comparing it to the older version of the Vifly Strobe, the original, pretty similar to be honest, no differences. You just see the extra LED that's been put on there for the blue, still the USB-C. Like I said, I think the only thing that's different apart from the blue is the one at 1000 lumens. So yeah, but the other one was pretty bright anyway, so there we go. Everything else is the same. So I'll have a quick run through now of the different modes and colours, so you can see those, and then we'll get them weighed. Just a long press to switch it on. Now, whatever your last mode and colour that you used last time, it actually saves that, so it'll come on with that. So we've got the solid green, got a strobe in blue, got a flash in blue, and we've got a solid blue. Then we've got the strobe in white, got the flash in white, and the solid white. Then again we've got the strobe in red, flash in red, and then the solid red. We're back to the strobe in green there. Obviously then the solid green, the flashing green and the solid green. All we do is hold it down to switch it off. There we go, as you can see, very bright. Just want to make you aware that once you do put it on the drone, if you're using, say, the Mini 4 Pro, it will take it overweight. But I'll show you that on the scales. But if you was to use something like the SE or the Mini 2 SE, something like that, it should still keep you under the 250 gram limit. So yeah, we'll get on the scales now and we'll test that out. Okay, so first just going to show you on this is the Mini SE, this one. So you can, I don't know if you can read that there, it's reading at 244 grams, that's with the battery on, but obviously I've got skins on and stuff, so it will put an extra gram or so on it. So if we just put the strobe on, see, it will take it, it's around 250, 251. So it's right on the limit there with the SE. But if you was to use the 4 Pro, obviously you're on 250 grams straight away, so it's going to put it straight over. There we go, 258 grams on the Mini 2, sorry, the Mini 4 Pro. So just be aware of that if you are going to put the strobe on and fly it, that you will be overweight. So thanks for watching as always. If you have any questions on the strobe, then drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them for you. I purchased these ones from Hobby RC, so I'll drop a link in the description as well if you are interested in purchasing any. I do highly recommend them. I've been using them for well over a year and find them to be one of the best on the market. So that's about it for now. Stay tuned. I've got some good flights coming up, so keep looking out for those, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care for now.